What's your cause number?
Cause number, Judge, is 262-9317. William Wallace, Wallis.
Did you get that? Yeah, that's okay. Victoria, did you get this cause number? You got it? Okay.
PSR is ready.
Yeah, okay, so Tuesday. Looks like he just got on deferred too, huh?
Yes, Judge. He just got on deferred on June 2026.
Mr. Wallace, you're now charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
Yes, Your Honor, this investigation is assigned to a detective in the Homicide Division on February 7th, 2026. In Harris County, Texas, incident occurred. They were doing a follow-up investigation for an incident that occurred on February 7th, 2026, where an officer was dispatched to a home in Tomball, Harris County, Texas. The complainant had called 911 in reference to a disturbance with the defendant. She was pregnant at the time. She indicated defendant came home highly intoxicated. She told deputies that she was pregnant by the defendant's baby. She indicated to deputies, she complained told the defendant that she did not want to keep the baby, which caused him to be upset. The defendant tried to take their toddler away from her arms, and in the process, he shoved her. The complainant told deputies that the defendant left the house through the back door. After the scene, the police arrived. The complainant refused medical assistance at that time and stated that she did not feel pain. When she was contacted on April 17, 2026, they did an interview with her where she indicated that later that day on February 8, 2026, while she was showering, she began to experience abdominal pain, began bleeding from her vagina, which ended up with a miscarriage. She indicated to the officers that at the moment where the incident was occurring, she did not feel pain due to the adrenaline, but after that did feel pain, had visible bruising, and was able to provide photographs to the officers where they did observe the visible bruising. She indicated she has been dating the defendant for about 4 years. They have a 2-year-old son together. She also has a 12-year-old son from a previous marriage. As a result of this incident, she did have a miscarriage, which I'm assuming is why it was assigned to this division judge. I'm trying to figure out what is happening, if there is any further investigation.
I mean,
Yes, Judge. So that's what I need to figure out. But in time, they did charge him with.
could be potentially even just,
Yes, Judge. They spoke to him, who he denies ever touching her. And she did indicate that when he did try to separate her from their son, he was squeezing her really hard, which is what had caused pain at the time when this incident occurred, and he pushed her chest with both hands. That's when she called 911.
Mr. Wallace, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause.
May I
to go-
respond, Judge, before you find decent?
Sure.
So, Judge, this incident happens on February the 7th. Cops come. She says she doesn't experience any pain, which is a requirement for a charge on this. Afterwards, 2 months later, another investigator comes out to investigate the case. And then 5 months later, they put charges on her where they say that, or they put charges on Mr. Wallace, where they say that she had small bruises on her arm from pictures that they say are from February the 7th, that date. But Judge, the most important part here, she denied feeling any pain the night of the incident. She didn't call the next day and say she felt pain. She didn't call 3 days later to say she felt pain. She didn't call 2 months later when she talked to the detective the second time to say she felt pain. It was 5 months later. And this is after, Judge, they've broken up through a nasty breakup, and she decides she wants to go back to Colombia and take her 2-year-old son and live there permanently. So aside from the biggest problem, that she stated she did not feel any pain, the other big
Well,
problem.
you're right initially, but then as the adrenaline wore down, that's when she started to feel
But
pain.
why wouldn't she call the next day or 2 days later?
Well, I mean, I can't put myself in her position. I don't know, but
I mean,
nevertheless, it doesn't.
Through a miscarriage, and she had gone to the hospital.
5 months later, well, she told them This is what she's telling police, Judge. We don't know. She could have gone and had an report. We don't know anything about it. All we know is that she wants to take their kid and go to Cologne. And that this is the best vehicle for her to do that.
Regardless, though, I think that there's enough probable cause to go forward. Mr. Wallace, I am going to find probable cause, and I'm ordering you now as a condition of your bond not to have any contact with this complaining witness at all for any reason. I just don't care. You put hands on anyone, I'll put my hands all over your bond and you will go to jail. You understand? You are not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs, and I'm going to put a device on your ankle so I know that you're not consuming alcohol. You do, and I don't care what the hell damn excuse you have. I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. You understand? You're on felony probation, and when you are on such, you're supposed to live as if you have a halo above your head. You're not supposed to do anything. Do you understand? I am entering now what's called a magistrate's order for emergency protection, which is a court order that identifies Ms. Rodriguez as a protected individual. You cannot commit family violence or an assault against this person, commit an act in furtherance of an offense under section 42.072 of the Texas Penal Code, which is the stalking statute. You cannot threaten, harass, use another person to communicate a threat or harassing behavior. You cannot be in possession of a weapon or go under the apartment on Zion Road within 200 feet. If you violate this, they can file additional charges against you, and a violation of a protective order is one of the worst cases you can pick up. You understand? When I mean no contact, I mean no contact of any kind. I don't care if she reaches out to you. If you have contact and she reaches out to you, it's still contact. If she calls you, don't answer. If she texts you, do not reply. If she comes to your house, don't answer the door. You're the one that's going to go into custody. If you have a child with this person and you want to see the child, because every father should see their child, you have to do it the right way. Don't take matters into your own hands. You go through the family courts and you can work out some kind of resolution. You have a lawyer here who can help you out with everything. But if you try to do stuff on your own, it's just going to go sideways real quick. You understand? Okay. So let's talk about a bond. I don't see a bond has been set now.
It is not.
What do you guys think?
We would ask for a PR, Judge, based on the facts.
I would object to that, Judge. He's currently on felony probation, and also considering the facts of the case. I would ask for, it looks like he had 5,000 on the felony. I would ask for a $10,000 bond on this man.
Judge, we're asking for a PR in light of the facts of the case. I mean, it's very clear what's going on here. I'm just so baffled the PC was found, especially.
You're still baffled that PC was found? I mean, puts hands allegedly, and then she just, I'll set your bond at $2,500. I'm not going to give you a PR bond. You're on felony probation, sir. So presumably Rick is with you now.
Yes, sir.
So I will release you guys with Rick. We need you to sign all the documents now. We need you to sign the order of protection. We're going to have bond conditions created for you to sign. Once you sign those, at that point, you'll be free to go. Understand the machine that's going to go on your leg is extremely finicky. Know exactly what you put into your body, because I don't give a rat's behind what kind of excuse you have. I don't care what party you go to. I don't care that you got promoted. I don't care if Jesus tells you you got to go to church and drink wine. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll have you sign your conditions and you're on your way. Thanks, guys. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah, my concern is the drinking.
Yeah.
Judge, Ms. Hudson is here on the, oh, okay.
Okay, on which case?
Are the trial cases?
I had two.
Are there multiple ones or just one?
Two.
Carter and Tolliver.
Yes.
So on Carter, when do you want to set it? Pick a day in August, Ms. Hudson.
Okay.
Any Tuesday.
We can do August the 11th.
On both?
That works for me. I think Tolliver is a little older.
Say it again.
Because I think Tolliver is a little older. So I don't know like if she would go first or.
Let's just set it for the same day.
Okay.
Just pick a day. We'll set it for the same day.
Okay. August 11th.
Victoria, you have it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Ramona, I've got it.
Okay, thanks.
Thank y'all.
Thank you.
Okay, thanks.
Bye.
Bye.
Judge, can I give you a case number?
Sure.
5-90043. They were sent to CHA, held to appear.
Has he already missed one time? Because I see Capias before.
No, that was the first time, Judge. We had an open warrant for a while, but it was a non-
Oh, Mr. Frank, you're here. I don't care what the excuse is. I will reinstate your bond today, but I'm not going to do it again. You don't get to miss court multiple times and get bonds reinstated. You understand? Okay, we're going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. So I'll have you go over there, sign a reset, and we'll get you out of here.
I should be sitting for days. I don't have anything here, so. No doubt.
What has changed since last year when you had a DWI and you hired a lawyer?
I got the company I was working with got bought out. And then I got.
I can't give you an answer tonight.
I didn't find a job.
How are you supporting yourself now? How are you supporting yourself now?
Just from praying back on the I'm trying to go back home. Yeah, I was getting ready to leave. I got arrested. So I don't have nobody here. I'm not from Texas. I'm from Florida. I have Florida driver's license.
So Deputy Etchigoin will give you an application. I need to know everything about you and I'll take a look to see whether you qualify. I need to know who you live with, what kind of household income anyone else has, cars, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, IRAs, and then I'll take a look to see whether you qualify. If you put zeros, I will send it right back to you. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, your bond will not be reinstated again. Do not miss court again. Show up on time, 8:30 every time. You understand?
All
right.
Go ahead and sign.
Do you guys need a pause number?
No,
You got it. Okay. Hey, Mr. Frank, please. Hey, good morning.
I have a company to Docket today.
Let me just write this down.
Segovia.
Okay.
Segovia. We had a PTI agreement with these tenants. And yesterday she sent for the dismissal. It was the day which they wanted to do. I thought she had to come to court because of the fact that she.
No, I mean, if she's done where it's going to get dismissed, then we don't need her.
Sure, and I think what happened was she had a $30 outstanding bill, restitution center. And she didn't end up paying it until about 2:00. So technically the case was not dismissed.
So have you shown it today to her so that they're ready to dismiss it? Because maybe they'll dismiss it right now.
I sent it to Attorney Shaw yesterday when it happened.
To who? Oh, okay. Do you still have it? Because maybe you could just send it right back to Karina and then they'll dismiss it now.
And the second one is Tiffany Tilson.
Okay.
She also, well, she not also, but she had a DWI PTI situation. So just, she's been approved. She's a couple more things she needs to do. She needs to enter our system in the corner.
Has she's done is this the one with all the issues with the drug testing? Right. She tested positive or something?
No.
Or she got called again?
We her drug test results in and she tested negative.
But you able to see, saw it's from Quest?
Yes, it's from Quest.
Okay, cool. So how much time do you need on Tilson? Is she living here or she's living elsewhere?
Evaluation.
Is she living, where does she live?
She lives here in Houston, but she's working on, she got a brand new job. Just started last week and she's training right now.
I could have sworn you said that she was living in like Alabama or.
That's somebody else. That girl's living in Toledo.
That's
That's somebody else.
That's, okay, I'm thinking of Davis. Okay, so this is, all right. So she needs to do a TRAS?
Yes.
Okay, so we need to get her in because your case is 190 days old. So,
Phyllis has completed a TRAS.
oh, she did?
Definitely.
Oh, so we don't need her
Okay,
then.
well, she's good to go. The
Well,
only thing she needs to do is get her interlock in the car.
so we'll give you a week.
You know, pay the $300.
Okay, a week, 2 weeks? 2 weeks the max.
I think a week is fine.
Okay, I'll give you up to 2 weeks. If she doesn't have it done, she got to be here though. Okay, all right.
Sure. Thank you.
What's going on with Mr. Humphrey right now?
So we're entering into a plea.
Well, I know that I know, but
Just wanted to show you this.
what's going on with him? Where's he living? Who does he have here? Does
So
he?
I work with, For Bond with the Harris County District Attorney's Office, a social worker that's gonna place him with the Salvation Army. She has a direct contact there, so that's the person who leaves here, he goes there. Sharp Hope didn't work, Covenant House didn't work, so we're hoping the Salvation Army works.
Is this the right thing?
I mean, he's been in custody 83 days. So.
You know, what's one of the most favorite things that you have in this life, Mr. Humphrey? Your art. What if someone were to come and just rip it all to shreds and light it on fire? How would that make you feel? Well, normal people would probably get upset when you take something, especially if you put your heart, time, your love into it, and someone just takes it and rips it all to shreds. You know, it sucks. It's the same thing here, man. Some kind of property that someone else owns, just because you get upset, you just let loose. It's just not fair. And it cost you now, what, 83 days of your life? Was it worth it? Right. That's the point I'm trying to make. I mean, really, you lose control. You don't think about what you're doing. You end up in custody. You should know, if you don't have anyone out there in the free world to help you out, if you're going into custody, you're there to stay. So when you go out there, you need to think, if I do this, am I going to go to jail? Because if I do, I don't have anyone to bond me out. Over and over and over. You understand? You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You're pleading guilty to these offenses now, both of them. They will both go on your record. The problem is,
I didn't know there was a paper. We can try that.
okay, so they're going to dismiss. Are there multiple? So you are now looking at a minimum of 30 days in jail if you pick up any more criminal cases over here. You understand? This will reflect as a conviction on your record. It can be used to just give you more and more punishment. The more cases you pick up, the longer the jail sentences go. How do you plead to the offense of criminal mischief? Guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty. As part of the agreement, they're going to dismiss one of them. We will waive your court costs so you won't owe anything. And just good luck to you, man. Control. It's not that hard. All right. Good luck, Mr. Humphrey.
Would you like to take a look at him, Judge?
Yeah, absolutely. Wow, you did this? That's amazing. What, I mean, dude, there's so much talent. What?
The need those here and Louisiana, I think that's why I don't like the visit.
You should be doing comic books. That's what you should be doing, like creating comic books, right? If they're good enough, then, you know, I love going to these Comic-Con shows, and there are people that go there. They have these booths set up, and they try to sell their own comic books. It's great. People go there. They give them money for the art that they do. Just something that you love to do. It can pay your bill. This is great. Look at it. You've seen it, right?
Yeah.
Casey? I mean, it's
Yeah, I mean,
just,
he had the song.
dude, it's amazing.
Taking too much of your time for the song that he wrote.
If you're out there and you need any help, come back to us and we can try to find you resources, whatever you need, you know, a place to stay, keep her number. If you ever need anything, just come back to us and we'll try to help you out with whatever you need. And then Stacy will as well. You know, the organizations that she works with, they have resources. They can help you out, housing, food, clothes, whatever you may need. Just don't be afraid to reach out. All right. And just keep, that's great. Keep it up, man. Do something productive with it. Really, because you can, with that kind of talent, I mean, I can barely draw a house. You know, it's, it's bad. So, all right, Mr. Humphrey, good job, man. Yeah, hi, Mike.
I have Mr. Quan Ha, AJ.
Oh, you're old. Where are we at? 190 days old, Michael.
I can worry from state. Hasn't worked, doesn't see that either.
I'm not, it's 190, I'm not, I can't wait anymore, man. Just do the rip without it. Just, I'm gonna set you for Monday. Have the rip done by Monday, please, okay?
We're emailing it to go forward the many witnesses.
Great, let's eval it. We'll set it for Monday. Just be ready. Okay. Yep, for sure. Mr. Francis.
Judge, real quick, Melanie Rodriguez. We just got an offer today. Her case is 175 days old. We just need probably a week and a half to get her class done. It's gonna,
Let
PTI.
me see. I don't know. It just, I want to see what's her last name?
Rodriguez. Melanie Rodriguez.
When was she given the offer for a class and dismissal?
Today.
Oh, you just gave it to her? Okay, sure. We'll give you a week.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Yeah. Hey, hi. Great to see you. It's been a long time. What's new? Jail or bond?
It's not shocking, but 78, two by kidnappings. You're going to do kidnapping, plus you're in decency here, which is what we intend to do. But time they got, I think you have to leave at 10:30.
No,
Oh,
just, you want to get it done now?
Do, there's just a mistake on the plea paperwork in the state.
Yeah, just get it done. I'll wait.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank
Yeah.
you, Judge.
Judge, for House of 16 is a waste of parents.
Yes, yeah, because they're going to eval it without the complaining witness, so there's just no need. I mean, Michael, unless your guy wants to accept something, then he's got to be here. But hey, if they're ready to go forward, be ready. It's clear trial on that day. Yeah. You have to share. Sign all of them. All right, good morning, Mr. Bradley. Sir, you're charged with theft. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they are offering you a 6-month deferred. This is a type of probation that if you complete successfully, there's no conviction on your record. But you need to understand you give up so many rights entering into this agreement. If you violate this agreement, you were looking at 180 days in jail. If you pick up a new case, go where you're not supposed to, test positive for illegal drugs or alcohol, including marijuana. We file a motion to revoke, put you back in custody. We will have a hearing to determine if you violated the agreement. If you do, it's up to 180 days. Do you understand? You were giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, there's no changing your duties. Is this what you want to do?
Yes.
If you're on probation or parole, this, by pleading guilty, may result in the revocation of that parole. Probation or parole, resulting in further confinement. For you to complete this successfully, you must do an effective decision-making class, an anti-theft class, 20 hours of community service. Where was this from? That's no going to Lowe's while you're on probation. No drugs, no alcohol, and no weapons. Do you understand? All right, so I'm not going to find you guilty. We will withhold that for 6 months, give you the opportunity to finish this thing up. If you get it done quick, if you do well, if you're nice to the probation officers, don't test positive, do your stuff on time, they'll take you off in half the time. You can be done in 3 months if you kick butt and do well. All right? All right. Good luck to you, Mr. Brown. Thank you. Thanks. Thank you, sis. Hi,
Good morning, Your Honor. I have a brief off-docket matter.
I saw your motion.
Yeah, sure. I'd just like to see if there's any way we can get that for hearing, maybe is only tomorrow, Tuesday.
Well, we're set for trial Monday, right?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Sure. I already have a hearing on Monday with another gentleman. We can take it up with trial if you want.
Okay, yeah, that's
do
fine.
that?
I just want to make sure.
Yeah.
Do my diligence.
Yeah, absolutely.
I
Sure.
appreciate it. Let's do a trial that morning.
Yeah, we'll do it with trial that morning.
Thank you, Judge. Okay, I'll let them know.
Okay, thanks. Hey,
Mine's pretty quick, Judge.
talk to me.
I'm here for Mr. Navarro.
Page 25.
Okay,
Judge, state offered her class were dismissed yesterday. She came and paid her fee today.
Great.
She's seen some time to do the class. It's 2 hour class.
so we'll pick a day next week. And it's your 200 days, so pick a day next week.
So
Any day, I
I'm
don't care.
gonna do next Friday's okay? And I'll get it turned in before.
Thursday's better.
Thursday, okay.
Fridays are arraignment day. So
Thursday.
yeah.
All right, thank you, Judge.
Yeah.
We'll get it done. I'll get it turned in before.
If she tell her she don't have it done, I'm rolling her day for day.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It'll get done. Thank you, sir.
That's the hope.
Have you excuse?
You got it.
Yeah.
What's the word?
We're able to get a hold of one of the complainants and I'm putting in right now. Let's
But
see.
you still don't have the other one anyways.
We don't have the other one.
Right. I mean, so
The amount was a lot, it was high for the,
how much?
I'm checking right now, but it was.
Judge, said, the damages, 2-part damages in total was about $17,000. Total to the house and the cars. The home-
Did he hit the house too allegedly?
Yes, so the
Dang.
20 paid 2,400. They got nothing but the cars because one car was not insured because it was just sitting there. And the second was a classic car like in a garage. And they haven't been able to fully fix it, but that was the estimate.
And that's just one.
That is correct, Your Honor. The other one, complainant, so approximately at the time was like 350,000. And the other one was about 20,000. The accident was that the car went into the house. Yeah.
So let's do this. I'm going to set you off 2 weeks. Please have it on paper because
Yes, sir.
obviously we're not going to just take their word for it.
Yes.
So have everything on paper. Please have both done. Your client needs to be here at the next setting.
But you can meet 3 weeks.
Sure.
Okay.
But your client needs to be here at the next setting and be prepared.
Okay, so in the case jacket, since they did, I think since June 2024, we did upload some estimates for like it looks like it was for the Cadillac, the Subaru, and the insurance deductible. So for that complainant that we spoke to, she did provide all the estimates and everything already. That's been uploaded.
Okay.
And of course, if we don't hear anything back from the second one, then that one will probably get disposed of, but for
Sure.
one of them, we already have everything.
Got it. But by 2 weeks, be ready. You're at 143 days now. It's got to be done by 2 weeks
Yes, sir. I did not talk to council.
or 3 weeks. I'm sorry, 3
Yeah,
weeks.
to confirm what his client can pay so we can figure out a resolution.
Yep.
Well, we can,
But be ready in 3 weeks. Your client has to be here too. Okay. All right. Take care. Hi, Alan.
Morning.
How are you?
Doing just fine, Judge. I'm approaching on Carlos Oliveros, Hernandez Oliveros.
Which one?
Oliveros is the last one.
Let's see.
I'm going with that.
Her name is Oliver.
Final answer. No.
No,
Age.
I never know how
Age,
it's
right.
listed in the system.
That's it. Okay. What are we doing?
So Judge, we did make progress. This is the case we approached on last time. He said he had $11. We didn't think he was ever gonna be able to pay off these tickets. However, he made the first payment in full to Fort Bend County. That was a $325. He has the money left, but he has to go in person.
But the problem is that when they just pay the tickets, they just start incurring more and more and more suspensions, and then it gets suspended longer. We just had that maybe like 5 minutes ago, you know?
I absolutely, Judge. So he says, because he has to go in person, he did just get off the phone with them.
He got off the phone just now on the day of court.
So it's.
Hernandez, come up. Today is the day of court, and you're really going to call them to figure out what's going on the day you have court? Really? We told you last time to take care of it before you had court, not the day of. Where are we now? I'm just,
I understand, Judge. So my understanding is that he is close to having the amount in full. However, even if he's not there, he can set up a payment plan, but he has to go in person. It's across the street, Lubbock Street, 17002.
great.
So if we can get that done today.
So pick a day, Monday or Tuesday of next week. If you don't have everything done by then, I'm going to roll you day for damn day until you have it done. You will come back Tuesday. You will come back Wednesday. Then you will come back Thursday. Then you will come back Friday. And if it's not done, then you will come back the following every darn day. You understand?
Yes.
And next time, don't wait until the day of. See you Monday. Hi, Corey.
Hey, good morning, Judge. I'm sorry. Katrina Morris on the docket.
Okay.
I have a motion in your queue to amend the bond conditions. I'd like the court to consider, please. To give you a little more color on that.
Tell me.
Yes, sir. So this is that assault case involving my client's son.
Okay.
His parents, my client and her wife, arranged to have him go to job corps out in Utah. He was expelled from job corps, although they're
What?
trying to get him in.
And how are you going to get fired on your day off, man?
I think there was an issue with his medications and oversleeping is my understanding. However, my client's wife recently had a major gastrointestinal surgery. The complainant in this case has been in the house for those 5 days alone and only 17 years old. My client's wife is now back home, but she's not really able to take care of herself. She's got a bunch of autoimmune diseases. And my client would really like to be able to go back home, even if the complainant is there. Everything's been good for the last 5 months.
Because she's not been there.
I think they have a, well, there has been no contact. I mean, she's followed all the court's orders, to a T.
Let's do this. I mean, I'd like them to do a rip first to see if they're okay with it.
I would like that too. The case is really old and they still haven't done a rip.
Serenity now. It's like every single case there's no rips done, in there. So let's set it a week. Get the rips done, please. I mean, they want to modify bond conditions, but I can't do it without the complaining witnesses, to see what they think. So if you don't mind, reach out to them. Let's set it for next week. Let's hope it's done. If not, then we'll ask them to just step out and get it done. Understand that Karina's been in trial for the last 2 weeks. Until today, we've had new DAs every day. So, yeah. And then with baby DA school, that kind of. So, right. So pick a day next week and let's hope we can have it done.
Yes, sir.
And just count me too.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thanks, Corey. I'm not against it. I want to make sure that everybody's happy with it.
Of course.
I don't want to, but if they're happy, then I'm happy.
I understand. Thank you, Judge.
Are you ready?
No,
We need a translator.
but we have a question first for you, Judge. The plea papers, our understanding of the state of she was nothing any time soon. So the 180 days because he has over 100 days, but on this charge, it's only.
Oh, he's on bond?
No, he's in custody. But he's-
No, I know, but it shows he's on bond, but he's in custody because of upstairs.
Yes, Judge.
Oh,
He has 343 days and felonies and summons are our case, so he has no.
I'm okay with it.
You are. Okay.
Yes,
Okay, well,
yes,
then
I'm
all we
okay
need
with
to
it.
do is do it.
Yeah,
Okay, thank you, Judge.
yeah, for sure. Hi, Greg. How are you, man? Happy Wednesday.
I got a
Thursday.
DeAndre Dosia.
Okay.
It's old. Been waiting on
Every damn case here is old, man.
been waiting on a video from the Metro bus where the incident allegedly occurred.
Okay.
No video.
So hold on. I'm going to set it for a 10-day discovery hearing. Whatever's not in, it's just not coming in.
Well, yeah, I mean, so I was gonna ask you, I had an investigator, they weren't able to get it. I just requested again, open records request.
I'm giving you a 10-day trial or a 10-day discovery hearing. If they don't, whatever they don't have, it's just not coming in.
But yeah, but my client's adamant that he didn't touch this person, so I really want the video. So the state can also, on the offense report, at the bottom, the last page gives specific instructions on how to get these videos from Metro. I talked to my client, he said he did not touch this person. So it is very important to get this video because this might resolve this case. If not, then we're just get a trial setting in 10 days. Does he need to be-
I'll tell you that it's been 200 days right now. And I don't know if it's been requested, sir. It's a very big possibility. It may not even be there. I don't know.
Which fine.
I don't know. But I think that you have to, within a certain amount of time, and if it's not done, it's like the 911s, right? If you don't do it within a certain amount of time, then, so I don't know.
I'm gonna harp on it.
Talk to Karina.
Let me see what I can pen in, and then does he need to be here? So I need 10 business days according to Metro. Okay. Thank you.
Judge, is that a discovery here?
Mhm. Hey. Ms. Kuhn, are you ready? Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm here for Royce Maximus.
Okay, jail or bond?
He is on bond.
You sure he's on bond?
Yes.
I don't see it on the docket. What's your cost number? Maximus.
2622-086. I'm sorry, Royce Maximus Hernandez.
Oh, well, there you
Well,
go.
I'm like,
That's okay.
Royce Maximus.
Maximus is a cool last name though. Okay, what's the deal?
He has bond conditions that require him to get a job or finish his GED.
Yep.
And I wanted to let you know, he's still looking for a W-2 type job, but he is selling on Facebook Marketplace. And I'm looking at his, he's got three
Legitimate.
listings.
Great. You can,
But he's also working with a temp agency right now, actively. He has another job interview tomorrow.
great. So we'll set you off 2 weeks. Tell him to do his darndest. Okay?
Judge on Mr. Corey, we just got the contract at 10/22. He's paid his DA fee. He's got his proof of income.
Great.
Wanted to see, because I still need to review what he literally just got it. Can we roll it to Monday that way I can submit everything?
What's his last name?
According to and that way,
It depends how old it is. I mean, they need to,
we just think. Today, because I anticipate that we can submit everything today and I can get it resolved tomorrow, and I'm happy to actually.
wait, what's his last name?
Gordon Deans, Skylar Gordon.
No, it's 231 days. No. No, tomorrow, just, yeah.
I just wanted to make sure that.
It's 231 days old, right?
We were waiting on the contract.
Then you need to come to me and say something.
Yeah, sure.
But, right, yeah. Okay, thanks. Hi, morning. Okay. Yeah, I don't, it's 111 days. I don't care. Until it gets old, it just doesn't matter. Patty. So he's pleading to 2 of these? No, but now he's gonna have registration, chapter 62 registration. Do you have the forms? We do. Do you know? We have them somewhere. They're chapter 62 reporting so that they're advised, so that they know.
The only thing is that one, they have to.
No. There's like an admonishment. You just have to sign to understand. Yeah. Let me look at his history.
You don't have any.
Hey,
He'll sign in just a minute.
I got it.
yeah, he will with two.
And I don't think, they want to think we had a student as, oh, that's one way.
Well, I don't know. That's between. Hey, Karina, can I talk to you for a second? Sorry. Oh. Who is it? Who is it? Is that her? Can I talk to you for a second? Karina, don't worry about it. She's. So, hi. By pleading guilty to two, he will have to register. If it's a first, you don't, but on a second, it's a 10-year registration requirement. It doesn't matter. It's still, you're pleading guilty to two, you'll have two indecent exposure convictions, which will trigger the registration requirement. What I was,
I honestly, that wasn't the intent, but it would
the problem is because there's a special form that we had that we use so that everybody is CYA in the event, so he can't come, I didn't know this. That's why. You want to talk real quick? Huh? Okay, come on, tell me.
The first case is Cappy Joe. And they've offered time served.
Yeah, it's 276 days old. He's got to take it today or he's getting rolled.
Oh, he's not.
Oh, he's not here?
No.
Then it gets revoked.
Okay.
Who's next?
I got it.
Victoria,
Yes.
bottom of page 19, 10,002. You know home. Who's number two?
I'm on, so I can't see back. Cappy Joe? No. Okay. Rango Sosa.
Wait, hold on a second. Who's this gentleman here? Oh, that's Cappy Joe right there.
That's him? Okay, fantastic.
All right, hold on, Mr. Joe. Your lawyer's going to come talk to you here momentarily. Time to decide what you want to do. Hi. Hi.
Judge, I have Miss Cunningham on docket today. She was here. She checks in, the videos know, but she has an emergency. Her baby has to be rushed to the hospital. We need bond conditions for her.
Is she, you can't just, I mean, really, if you tell me that you got to go, then we'll do it real quick.
Judge, I guess there was some miscommunication. I was in line with the prosecutors, and that is when. But if needed, I can.
She's on felony probation. She picks up an assault and she just up and leaves. I guess I'll roll till tomorrow SFBF, but she's got to be here. I mean, she needs bond conditions.
Judge, if she's still in the hospital, her baby's still in the hospital, can she appear using?
No, because she can't sign conditions.
Got it.
No. You are Mr. Bermudez.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Bermudez, it looks like you're charged with 2 counts of indecent exposure. Indecent exposure is a Class B misdemeanor. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. The agreement that you have worked out on both of those cases is 180 days with credit for the 343 days that you have done. You also have 2 felony cases as well. You're charged with 2 counts of aggravated kidnapping. The agreement that you have worked out is they're going to dismiss the 2 counts of aggravated kidnapping in exchange for your plea on these cases. You need to understand something extremely important. Both of these will now reflect this conviction on your record. You will possibly be facing a minimum of 90 days in jail for any new cases. Not only that, by pleading guilty to 2 of these cases, that may trigger a Chapter 62 reporting requirement for 10 years. Do you understand this? You are giving up many rights by entering into this agreement. You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You also give up the right to appeal. Once you accept these agreements, you can never change this or undo this. If you are on probation or parole, pleading guilty to both of those cases may result in the revocation of that probation or parole, resulting in further confinement. Do you understand? Knowing all of this, is this what you want to do? How do you plead to both counts of indecent exposure? Guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty. I'm going to follow the agreement. You have also indicated that you understand about the Chapter 62 registration requirement as reflected in this paperwork that you have signed. We can also give you a copy for you so that you understand. All right? So how do you plead guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty. I'll follow it. And good luck to you, Mr. Bermudez. And thank you. And the other ones will be dismissed on motion of the state.
Thank you, Judge.
Thanks, guys. Hey, guys, I have to leave. Does anybody need anything before I go? I got to run. Okay, talk to me, please.
Mr. Joe is going to take time, so I did just file the paperwork.
And Judge, I have a copy as well. I just got it.
Okay, now we got to do it because I got to roll. Hey, talk to me.
Just, I don't think I need you.
You don't? Okay,
Let me
great.
approach and make sure. Ryan's a pizza.
Yes, you're 180 days. Where are we going?
Judge, he's considered the offer still. If the report is.
I'll give you until next week.
Sir?
Okay. At that time, he's got to be here. It's clear trial. If he wants to do the PTI, he's got everything's got to be turned in by that time though.
That works.
Okay. Have a good day next week.
You know, Juan, Jillian, I just need a reset, just to do the beach.
It's 173 days old. So what do you have to do for the PTI offer? Great. We'll give you a week. It's 173 days old. Okay. Please let him know it's got to be done in a week. Okay. All right.
On Lara, Lara.
Okay.
It's a DWI, the PTI did, came last week. We have to turn everything in. He's done everything in the RAS insurance application.
Great.
Just waiting.
So just pick a day next week.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just want to make sure this thing, because he told me to come over and talk to you. The other one is, Randall Sosa. If rib is needed.
It's 180 days. What are we doing?
We've already tried twice to call her.
So then that's it. Put an alternate offer. You have a week to decide what you guys want to do.
Okay.
But I'm not waiting. It's 180 days. I'm not waiting anymore. It's go without it.
No problem.
So 1 week to decide what you want to do.
Okay.
Who's next?
Other one is Elijah Calvo. The PTI action.
Okay, great. We'll give you, has they turned everything in?
I just got on this case today, so I'm gonna say no, because T-Rash has to be scheduled.
Okay, so we'll give you 30 days, but it's got to be done.
Okay.
I don't have time to do these. I'm supposed to be at the place at
And the
10 minutes.
last one, the RIP is pending again.
Who?
KAVALSO. How did I say K? CADALSO. Caladosa.
On the, I mean, you're 136 days. You got time on this one.
Okay.
Okay, I don't have time to do these. Hey, Victoria, I don't have time to do this. I gotta go. They've just filed it. I'm waiting on an interpreter. I just don't have time. I'll set it next week, whatever they want. I gotta be there in 10 minutes. And I just don't have to